this video, we will see how to set up a Facebook store. To create a Facebook store or shop, you need to have a Facebook page. If you don't have a Facebook page or you don't know how to create a Facebook page, please find video tutorial on how to create a Facebook page in the description section below this video. If this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. Once you have created the Facebook page, a shop tab will be assigned to you, which you can find on the left-hand side here. If you don't see any shop tab, then we can set up the shop tab first. Click the Facebook page settings. Next, click Templates and Tabs. And here you can set up all the tabs that Facebook assigns by default to your Facebook page. Click Add a tab and again click Add tab corresponding to Shop. Place it either in the first or second place in the order of your Facebook page tabs so that it's clearly visible to Facebook users on your Facebook page. Click Facebook Shop. Let's set up merchant terms and all other settings for the Facebook Shop. First, in the pop-up window, agree to merchant terms and policies and continue. Next, select how do you want to sell products on Facebook. First method, do you want buyers to contact you on Facebook through Facebook messages? Or second method, do you want to send them to external website or store where Facebook users can buy the product directly from your Shopify store or WooCommerce store or Amazon affiliate store? Let's see the first method, message to buy. Here buyers contacting you directly on Facebook through messages. Next, select the currency you want to be visible on the items in Facebook store. By default, the local currency will be visible. Save the settings and continue. The Facebook shop is set. You can start adding products to sell. Let's add our first product. You can upload a product image or video or both. Next, enter the product name here. Next, enter the product price that you feel is most optimum and that buyers can afford. You can have a sale price and a market or current price here if you wish. Next, enter product description here. And you can select this option to post the product for sale on your Facebook page or deselect it. You can manage product inventory when they are not available here. If you have other options to your product like size and color and price, you can set it here. Once you're happy with all other product settings, allow the product visibility to go public and save the settings. Facebook Shop is live with your first product. Similarly, you can add many more products. When the buyer clicks on the product image, they can view all other details for the product and can select the number of products they require and message you for more information. You can see the buyer's message is sent successfully to you. You can find the same message on your Facebook page inbox. You can share all information on the product and shipping details to the end buyer right on Facebook page. Second method. Let's see the second method. Agree to merchant terms and policy. Send buyers to an external website. Buyers can directly purchase the product on Shopify store or WooCommerce store or Amazon affiliate store. Currency setup for products. Let's add our first product. Uploading image and video for the products on Facebook Shop. And all other product information like entering product name, price, description are all the same. The main difference is you need to enter the external website with the product URL here. Once you are done with product settings, allow the product visibility to go public and save the settings. Facebook Shop is live with your first product. Similarly, you can add many more products. When the buyer clicks on the product image, he can view all other details for the product and will be prompted to visit the external website and make the purchases on the checkout page. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe, like and comment on the video if it was helpful. Thank you.